Welcome to One Day Study, the ultimate educational app designed to help students succeed. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the app's powerful features and show you how to get the most out of it. To get started, log in using your email and password. If you're new, sign up for free to unlock a world of knowledge tailored just for you. Once logged in, you'll see your personalized dashboard. From here you can access notes, video lectures, previous year question papers, and much more. Need study materials? Browse through well-structured notes, IT papers, and semester papers. Everything is just a click away. Earn points by engaging with the app and unlock exclusive benefits. Upgrade to premium for ad-free access, special content, and more. Love One Day Study? Share it with friends. Use your referral link to help them join and earn exciting rewards. Discover more with One Day Study. Stay updated on university programs, internships, and exciting opportunities. Download the One Day Study app today and take your studies to the next level. Learning has never been this easy or this fun. Available on Play Store. Visit us at OneDayStudy.online.